Hi everyone, Tim, Grandad's Workshop. So we've been making a 5-foot clamp out of all the bits and pieces in the workshop, but anyway, you can find it on my channel if anybody wants to have a dabble at making a decent sized wood clamp from all your metal bits and pieces in the garage. It's on my channel, go and have a look at that. But whilst I was making that, I discovered that my key to my angle grinder case has snapped. Whilst they're probably not the most difficult thing to break into, you can probably do it with a screwdriver. I thought it might be a little bit of fun, see if I could actually weld up a 1mm thick key with my newly acquired stick welder. So I'm going to show you the stick welder that I've bought it second hand. Okay, so that's what I bought. Static arc. If that tells you a bit more. I've got a couple of different tubes with it as well, which is very generous. Now then, these, all it says on the box is E100s, which doesn't mean anything to me yet. Obviously I'm going to get into it and find out a bit more, but E100s 2.5mm, which is what they are. So that's what we're using. Okay, so how ambitious is this? The lads welded one piece of angle iron quite badly, but welded it, and now the key to my angle grinder case has snapped. So let's have a go. What's the worst that can happen? I'm going to draw it first, I think, so that I can maybe cut one out if, as a last resort. Wish me luck. See what, if anything, we've got there, shall we? The underside. Whether I should or not, I'm going to have a little go, because obviously it's only come through halfway. 1.3mm, so just over 1mm or just under 1.5, take your pick. So that's what we've got, a half welded key at the moment. I'm going to just run a little bead down that side if I can without melting it, and grind it up. Not pretty, but there you go. So that's what we're running on, 29. That's what we've got. There's a big blob. So that's both sides done. Let's knock that off a minute. Get off that. So we'll just grind that up a little bit. Right, there we go guys, that's your key. Welded on both sides. Does it work? Open sesame. Brilliant.